Hello, and welcome to this ClassClac tutorial. Today, we're going to be learning about the graphing calculator on the Webapp. Our graphing calculator is packed with powerful features like linear equations, polynomials, polar and parametric functions, restrictions, calculus, and anything else you'll need to explore math. Today will be a general walkthrough, so make sure to check out our other videos for a more in-depth look at specific features. Let's start with a linear equation. To input an expression, you can type directly in the input bar here, or you can use the keyboard found here. We'll start off by typing in y equals 2x plus 5, or just 2x plus 5 for shorthand. To zoom, simply scroll with your mouse or use the buttons in the top left corner. To trace a function, simply click on it and drag your mouse. To move the graph board around, simply click on the graph board and drag around. Finally, to find points of interest such as minima, maxima, and intersections, simply find the gray dots and click on them. Here, we can see both our x and y intersect. Let's press the center button to go back to the origin. Next, we'll have some fun with quadratic functions and variables. Let's start off by declaring our variables a, b, and c. And then we'll type in our function ax squared plus bx plus c. We can see that as we change the value of our variables, the corresponding function adjusts as well. This is a great way to explore the relationship between expressions and their corresponding graph. Let's move on to Trig and learn how function declarations can help us explore functions with more flexibility. We'll start off by declaring that f of x equals sine squared x and g of x equals cosine squared x. Here are a couple of examples of what we could do with our functions now. F of 5 will give us the numeric answer here in the bottom right corner of 0.919, whereas f of x plus 2 will give us the original f of x functions translated 2 units over. To find the composite function, simply type in f of g of x, which gives us the red line here. To really explore, you can build your own custom functions. As an example, I'll type in f of x plus g of x, which will give us a line at y equals 1, due to the trigonometric identity. As a final bonus, we'll take a quick look at some of the integral functions we have. ClassClac can compute calculus functions both symbolically and numerically. For example, if I type in int and take the integral of just sine x, ClassClac will automatically plot the negative cosine x function and give you the answer here in the bottom right corner. However, if I fill out the bounds, in this example let's use 0 to 5, ClassClac will instead plot the original sine function and shade the area from 0 to 5 and give us the corresponding numeric answer. To explore further, we can make use of variables in the bounds. Let's replace 5 with a and set a to equal to 5. Now I can change a to automatically adjust the bounds of my integral. And that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in to this ClassClac tutorial.